As we begin this guided meditation, just start to bring your focus to your breath and really pay attention to how your lungs expand and contract when you inhale and exhale. You can slowly start to close your eyes and begin focusing on the breath again. Notice your jaw, and if you feel any tension there, just notice it, but don't try to change anything. Now breathe into the sensations in your jaw, and as you exhale, allow it to release a little. Inhale again and imagine that you're breathing in new life, and when you exhale, let all fear completely fade. Take another deep breath in, and when you exhale, feel yourself letting go of any worries for the coming months ahead. Notice how relaxed you are becoming right now. Let another breath come in naturally, imagining a brighter future. And as you let it go, notice how these anxious thoughts begin to fade. A wave of relaxation sweeps over you as you breathe in and out. Now allow your breath to flow naturally and let yourself feel calm and peaceful. Imagine that you are now more energized, seeing yourself full of energy and optimism. So now start to breathe into this joy you are creating and notice how you're consciously shifting any anxious thoughts right now into peaceful feelings inside by following the flow of your breath. Breathe deeply and let your exhale completely relax you. Any thoughts that previously held you back are becoming smaller and smaller. Now allow yourself just a few moments to simply be and notice and feel changes from this moment right now and the difference between how you felt before you began this meditation. Now return your focus to your breath for a few moments. And in your own time, whenever you're ready, slowly open your eyes and acknowledging yourself for making these steps towards a better life. Take as much time as you'd like just to be in this gratitude for a couple of moments. And slowly begin to come back to the room again.